Hello everyone, my name is Anand Poddar. So today I am going to discuss about unit number 3, software architecture and planning a software project, lecture number 24. So in this video we are going to discuss about bottom up estimation approach, project schedule and staffing. So let us see what is bottom up estimation approach. So in this approach, what we do is the project is first divided into tasks, okay, and then estimates for the different tasks of the project are obtained. So from the estimates of different tasks, overall estimate will be determined. So this is how the bottom up estimation approach will be done. To estimate the cost of the project, what we'll do is the entire project will be divided into multiple tasks, okay. So these multiple or different tasks of the project will be obtained, okay. So whatever the divided task, so each task will calculate the estimates, that is the cost. So all the cost will calculate it for all the we'll calculate the estimates for all the different tasks, and we add all the estimates for different tasks to get the overall estimate. Now this type of approach is also called as activity based estimation. Now in this approach, the size and complexity of the project is captured on the set of tasks the project has to perform, okay. Now the bottom up approach lends itself to direct estimation of efforts, okay. Once the project is partitioned into smaller tasks, it is possible to directly estimate the effort required for them, especially if the tasks are relatively small. Now suppose if you divide that into number of tasks, even if the tasks are very relatively small, we can also calculate what is the effort required taken by the members to complete that task. Now one difficulty in this approach is that to get the overall estimate, all the tasks have to be enumerated, okay. Now if system that has to be developed has past information about the effort distribution, then the bottom up approach need not have to enlist all the tasks. So such approach is used in commercial organization. In this approach, the major models of the system will be identified. So these models will be categorized into simple, medium and complex. This estimation is based on past experience of the system. That is, from the estimation of coding effort, the estimation of other fields will be obtained, and then overall effort estimates of other phases will be obtained. Following are the steps to estimate the effort using the bottom up approach, in which the past information is used. First we identify the models in the project. Then what we'll do is we classify them as simple, medium and complex. Afterwards we get the coding effort for each module of different types. Now using the effort distribution of simpler project, we estimate the efforts for other tasks, then obtain the total effort required by the whole project. So this is how we get the total effort required by the whole project using this method. That is the bottom approach. Next topic is project scheduling, staffing. Now once we have calculated the efforts, okay, using the bottom up approach for the overall project, it becomes easy to estimate two things, that is the duration taken as well as the how many people are required. Now the schedule and people are not fully interchangeable in the software project. For example, if the effort requires is 36 persons in a month, then it is hard to say that within 6 months and with the help of 9 people the same project can be completed within 4 months, okay. So this is how we calculate the scheduling and the number of people required. So there is no simple equation between effort and schedule that will fit well. Now in project scheduling can be done in two simple activities. First one is determining overall schedule by using different milestones, also by developing detailed schedule of different tasks. First method is using overall scheduling. So overall scheduling of the project can be obtained using the effort as function. So the federal IBM division has found that the total duration M is estimated in terms of month as M equal to 4.1 into E raised to 0.36. But in COCOMO equation, the effort estimation will be M equal to 2.5 into E raised to 0.38. That is the exponential raised to 0.38. So from this equation, it is clear that schedule is not entirely dependent upon effort. So these figures can be used as some guidelines. Now the staffing level is not changed continuously in a project. Okay. So an approximation of the relay curve are used. So you can see here in the diagram the manpower, that is the rail, it's called as relay curve. We are assigning a few people at the start. Okay. There is a peak team size, there is a maximum team size. So we are assigning a few people. Having a peak team during the coding phase, because the coding phase is a very large phase, so it requires large amount of people, and then leaving a few people for integration and system testing. So you can see there are less number of people for integration and testing. So if you consider design and analysis, build and test as a three major phases, the manpower ramp up in project typically resembles the function as shown in below. As you can see here, in the design phase few people are involved, and when build phase comes it makes a rise to the peak team size. So in the build phase large number of people are involved, and again after building in the test phase very few people are involved. Now in this video we have discussed about bottom estimation approach, project scheduling and staffing, overall scheduling. Thank you.